Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you what is Toast Widget in Flutter, and which is used to inform the user briefly about action done by the user, like when user click on something or when deleting a message. It will send you or show you a notification like your message has been deleted, or when you sent an email it will show you a notification like your email have sent. And in this video I am going to explain you a small example of Toast Widget in Flutter. And here I have created a stateless widget and I have given a class name as toast message, and I have given this object here. So you need to do two things to use this toast widget. So first you need to import the package, and then you need to add dependencies in the pubspec.ml file. So for that in the Chrome just type dot packages, okay, and then select this dot packages and click on it, and here just type toast, okay, then select the high score one, so it is 98%. You can just click on this toast. So here this is a dependency and this is a package, and here you can see how to use this toast message, toast widget. So let me copy this and go to our Android Studio and just paste it here. So now we have imported the package, and next thing we have to add dependencies in this pubspec.ml file. So here in the same line of, so in the dependencies section, so go back by 2 steps, and in the same line of this Flutter you need to add this. So go to the Chrome and just copy this dependency. Go to our Android Studio and just paste exactly here. Just click on pub update, then go to our, see there is no error, and process finished. So now go to main.dart and click on get dependencies here. So you need to click on get dependencies here actually, and here add a body parameter, and let me add a razor button widget. You can also add a button like flat button or icon or etc. So now I'm going to use a child parameter, and within this let me use this text widget, and I'm going to give some text here. Let me say delete. Okay, I have created a razor button and I have named it as delete. So let me save and run this. So you can see here a razor button widget have added, and I'm going to use the onPressed parameter. So for now I didn't write anything inside onPressed. So when I click on this, it is not showing any message, so that I'm going to write something in this onPressed, and it is easy to use this toast widget. You can just go to the Chrome and copy this line. So let me copy this and go to Android Studio, just paste it inside onPressed. So, and we have imported a package, and we have copied this toast.show. So here it is a message which is going to show when we click on this razor button. So and it is duration and it is length dot short, so it will show you a message in short duration. You can also change this to length dot long. So here are different attributes that you can use. Do experiment on each and everything. So for now I am going to add length dot short only, so it will show in short duration. You can change this gravity also, like the message will show at the top or bottom or the center. And before I run this, I will just change this message to your message has been deleted. So let me save and run this. And now see, when I try to click on this, you can see this message but in short duration. So let me change this to length dot long. Okay, so it will suggestion. See, when I click on it, you can see this message like your message has been deleted. You can also change this position of this message to top or bottom or at the center. So for example, let me use this top, and I am going to save and run this. And see, when I click on this, you can see this message at top of the screen. I hope you could understand this Toast widget, and you can see this source code in the description. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like.